Hello, everyone, and welcome to your 10-minute morning stretch. This is a great routine to kind of weave into your morning, but also any time of day where you're trying to wake up the body. All right, so let's start standing. We're going to find the top of our mat together. And just want you to start to roll your shoulders backwards. Good. Really try to create a nice range of motion and then add in the arms. So once you've done the shoulders a few times, just nice backstroke of the arms. And notice how I'm kind of doing every other. You don't do them together. Good. And then on your next exhale, let your palms land by your sides. Let your heart reach forward. Good. We're going to do 3 breaths of joy. So that's an inhale, 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 exhale. So we go. All right. Inhale, inhale, inhale. One more. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Good. Inhale, reach all the way up. Exhale, fold all the way forward. Good. Inhale, lengthen the spine halfway. Exhale, walk your hands to the right. Add a little rotation. Good. Walk your hands through center. Add a little rotation to the left. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Lengthen the spine nice and long. Exhale, widen out your feet for your malasana. Sink down into your squat. Gather your palms to heart center. Press your thumbs to your heart back into your thumbs. Widen your knees. Good. Inhale, reach your right arm out to the right. The back of your tricep presses into the inner part of the leg, aka the back of the arm. Open up your left arm. Good. Take another inhale, deep stretch. Exhale, bring everything back to neutral, hands to heart. And then switch. Left arm kicks out left, back of arm presses into leg, so tricep. Reach your right arm up. Good. Hold. Exhale, bring your hands back to center. Drive your knees away. A little bit more energy. Push, push, push. Good. Exhale, fold forward, tailbone up. Heel toe your feet back together nice and slow. Bring your hands all the way to your low back. Stand up. Sweep your arms high to the sky. Good. Exhale, lateral stretch right. So slide right hand down the right leg. Raise your left arm up. Good. Switch. Left arm goes down, left leg. Raise your right arm up. Good. Inhale, raise both arms all the way to the sky. Find the freedom here. Exhale, bending at the knees. Fold forward. Good. Flat back to lengthen. Stick out your booty. Exhale, lower one knee and then the other, which brings you to tabletop. Good. Now draw shoulder circles around your wrists. So start to create big circles. 3. Good. 2. One more here. 1. And then exhale, go the other way. 3. Good. 2. And 1. Take your time. Sit back on the heels for me if that's okay. Or pop up on the knees if that's too much. Raise your left arm over your head. Grab your ear. Good. Pull your left ear to your left shoulder. Extend your right palm forward. Now all the way out to the right, your arm goes, and that's going to intensify the stretch. Good. Tuck the chin a little bit. Take a deep breath into the area we're stretching on the right. Big exhale out. Good. Bring your head back up and then switch. Raise your right arm up and over your head. Grab hold of your ear. Good. Exhale, pull your ear gently to your shoulder. So that's where you start to feel the throat. Then reach your left arm forward. Exhale to the left from there. And then slight tuck of the chin. And that's going to deepen down into the top of the shoulder bone. Take a big inhale into that space. And then exhale it out. Good. Let both hands interweave behind the back so we can invite in rabbit pose. So you're going to interlace the fingers, glide the knuckles down the tailbone. Good. Exhale, hinge forward. Come all the way into the crown of your head as your glutes lift up. Bring the knuckles over the head and then stretch, stretch, stretch. Good. Really feel the work as you pick up the butt and as you reach over your head. 3. Squeeze the shoulder blades closer together. 2. Good. Exhale, release hands to low back and then to mat. Perfect. Sit back on the heels for me, and then from there, crawl the body slightly forward. Cross the shins and then sit back behind your feet. Good. Now that you're seated, extend your legs long in front of you. Raise the arms high to the sky. Exhale, round forward. Take 2 breaths. Inhale. Good. Exhale, 1. And you may or may not be holding your feet. That's okay. Inhale. And exhale 2. Good. Walk the torso all the way up. Find a seated posture, crossing the shins. Hold on to the kneecaps here and then start a circular motion with the spine. So moving the spine around circularly. Good. You have one more round in your circle spine. And then exhale, head the other direction for me. So go ahead, big circle, 3. Good, 2. One more big circle, so 3 on each side, good. And then center it up. As you sit tall, exhale, look right, twist right. So bring your hand behind you and outside of your knee. Find your rotation. Good. Now lean your shoulder into your knee. So left shoulder, left knee, right arm over your head. Good. Continue that stretch for me for 3. Reach, reach, reach. 2. And 1. Now, keeping your arm in the air, you're going to undo your left hand, bring it underneath so your elbows are crisscrossed. Hold your shoulder blades or find your full eagle arms, raising your elbows up. Good. Exhale, round the spine, like find that hunchback shape as you tuck your chin, moving it forward. Good. And then exhale, twist left. And then as you do, hand to knee, hand behind you, and rotate. Beautiful. Low belly pulls up and in as you rotate. Continue to activate your core. Good. And then exhale, stay here, leaning right shoulder to right knee. It's a lateral movement of the spine as you reach over the head for your diagonal stretch from your opposite lower back through your fingertips. So as you lean right, you're feeling this right and forward in your left lower back. Good. Keep reaching over your head. You might even feel the stretch all the way through the armpit. And then exhale from there. Start to continue to lift your left arm up. Stay here. Bring your bottom right arm underneath, option 1. And then option 2, keep crossing. Good. Elbows up. And then exhale, round your elbows in. 3. Good. 2. And release on 1. From there, you're going to put your hands behind you. Give yourself a little back bend. Open up the front of the body. Good. Exhale, roll forward and over your knees. Nice. Open the forearms and wrist here. So you're almost done. Just stretch it out. Good. Inhale, we reach the heart through. Exhale, we take a tuck of the chin. Good. Let's repeat. Inhale, we reach the heart through. And then exhale, we take a tuck of the chin. So, so good. Reach the hands forward as you inhale. Good. Keep reaching them forward. Lower the chin for puppy dog pose. If that's too much on the neck, lower the forehead, but your booty's in the air the whole time. Good. Stay for one more breath. Slither yourself forward, coming into your one and only back bend here on the belly. So ground the hands along the nipple line. Squeeze the elbows in. Make it big or small. So I have straight arms, but my thighs are down. So I'm in a straight arm cobra versus an up dog. Good. Exhale, push back. Tuck your toes, ready. Lift your knees, ready. And then fold forward at the back of your mat. Good. Hang heavy. Feel the wake up in your whole body here. Take one more round of breath together. Good. On your next inhale, you're going to bone by bone rise all the way up to the top. Slow and steady. Good. Come all the way up. Now, once you get here, I want you to sweep your arms into the air and over the head. Elongate your spine. Good. Look up if it feels healthy. And then exhale your hands down by your sides. Good. Bring your hands to heart center to close our movement together, creating just enough movement to get yourself awake and hopefully the blood flowing, your body moving, and everything feeling well. Lift high up onto the balls of the feet. You can open your eyes to do this so that you have good balance. Good. Exhale, plop the heels down. Bowing forward, thanking yourself for the morning movement. Exhale, thank you so much for moving with me. Hope your body feels good and relaxed and that you're ready for your day, or maybe middle of the day if you chose to practice then. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.